Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see a healthy sweet recipe which is very apt for the kids' evening time snacks. So let us see how to prepare it. In a pan, I'm adding 1 cup of milk. Let it be boiled or a chilled milk. To that I'm adding 1 cup of roasted Bengal gram. Roasted Bengal gram is rich in fiber and it's very healthy for kids too. Now we are going to give a gentle mix so that the milk and the Bengal gram mixes well. We are going to cover and cook it for 5 minutes in low flame. After 5 minutes, if you see, you can see the milk is boiling well. Now we have to just switch off the flame and wait for it to cool well. So if you see now, the roasted Bengal gram and the milk are very hot, but after some time, after it's get cold, if you see, the mixture will be like this. As the Bengal gram has absorbed the milk, now I have transferred it into a mixer jar. To it I'm going to add cashews to enhance the flavor of the sweet. I'm adding 3 ilachis for the best fragrance for the sweet. After adding all the ingredients, we are going to just grind it coarsely without adding water or milk. If you see now, it has been grinded coarse, but we have to get a smooth texture. For that, I am now going to add 3/4 cup of milk so that the mixture will be very smooth that we can easily cook it. I have added the milk. Now we'll give a gentle mix to avoid splashing while grinding. It's done. So now let's prepare to grind it. After grinding, if you see, the mixture is very smooth. It's all set to prepare the sweet. In a pan, I have added 1 spoon of ghee. Let the ghee melt well and turn to hot. To it, I am going to add the grinded mixture. We have to saute it until the mixture combines well together. It might hardly take 5 minutes for the mixture to get well combined. If you see now, you can see that the mixture has combined well and turned in like a dough. Now here I am going to add 1 cup of brown sugar to it. After adding the brown sugar, if you notice, you can see some small particles which can be seen, which is not be absorbed by the mixture, but till the brown sugar is well absorbed by the mixture uniformly, we are going to saute it, and after finishing it, we are going to add 3 more spoons of ghee. Our healthy sweet is almost done. If you can see now, the brown sugar, the milk we have added, cashews we have added, all has combined together, and we can just switch off the flame and prepare some shape that is very attractive to the kids and offer them as a healthy evening snacks. Hope you like the recipe. Please do try this at home and give your feedback in the comment section. Don't forget, so subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut channel. Press the bell icon for my recent video notifications, and please all do let me know what is the next recipe you all want me to post. Please stay connected. Thanks for watching. Bye.